Back in May, which is over 6 months now, I moved out of my home city of Vancouver all the way across the country into my parents' home in a very small town in New Brunswick to focus on my YouTube channel, on my health, and to help them out as well. And I haven't seen a friend since then. All my friends are back in Vancouver. I don't know anybody here, and I don't want to get to know anyone due to the fact that I don't want any distractions. So now that it's been over 180 days, I've learned quite a few things. And the thing that I learned early on is I was forced to face myself. I was forced to face my insecurities, my bad habits, especially because I didn't have anything to distract me. I couldn't use my friends as a scapegoat to skip the gym, to not work on my goals, to say that I really wanted to have a night out instead of focusing on my future and focusing on my goals. So being forced to see yourself, and I'm sure many of you can relate to this with the pandemic, can be a little bit scary and can bring you down. But you can definitely assess what you're doing wrong and fix it. Like, I had to fix my sleep pattern, my sleep schedule, got myself on a regular workout routine. Like, I put on 30 pounds of muscle, which is awesome. I'll probably make a separate video about that. So having all this time really helps you reassess what's important to you and realize all the things that weren't important and that were a waste of time when you were spending time out and about with your friends. Not saying that all those interactions are a waste of time. Of course, it's incredible to have friends, and I think that's important. I'm going to touch on that later in the video. But it's been incredible. One of the pros is I've had so much time to focus on my goals, and a big part of it is this YouTube channel, and I've seen such a increase in growth due to having that extra time, which has been amazing. However, I do miss human connection. I do miss sharing laughs with my friends. The only people that I interact with are my parents, and obviously that's way different than interacting with your homies. So I miss the laughs. I miss even seeing their faces after not seeing them for so long, and just relaxing. You know, when you're with your friends, you kind of forget about everything and you just enjoy yourself. I also haven't dated. Like, a big part of the reason why I'm doing NoFap is I'm not dating, and I don't want to just be spilling my seed all over my kneecaps and stuff like that. So and that's been hard too. Like, I miss intimacy and I miss feeling feminine energy in my life. And I have been actually talking to a girl in Atlanta over the last couple weeks, which has been like so nice, because I feel that intimacy again, and that feminine energy. And I'm happy with my choice. Like, I would never take it back. I'm so happy that I'm here and that I've chosen to make that decision. And wow, there goes my necklace. And I would never go back on it. And I think that I'm gonna be here for, at least a year, probably longer. So I'm really happy that I made that decision. However, I don't believe that human beings are meant to be alone for long periods. We are meant to we come from tribes. We come from hunter-gatherers. We come from helping each other, and that human connection is natural to us. We're tribal people, and even though I interact with my parents, I still am like, I know it's not normal for me not to have any interaction with my own age, and that's definitely something I miss. So if you haven't seen your friends, or you don't have any friends, and you kind of feel like you feel those pros and cons, you're like, well, I enjoy my own company, I have time to focus on myself. If you have that voice in your head that says, like, it would be nice to go out and hang out with my friends, it would be nice to go on a date, that's natural, and you should feel okay about that. And maybe you guys can relate and leave a comment. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to talk about my thoughts on that. Anyways, I guess that's it. Haven't seen a friend over 180 days. It's been interesting. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.